Okay, so we've had a little bit of a sleep in today. Sorry we didn't do any filming at the end of the night after the quest show. Our memory card ran out because we filmed so much stuff. We also went to the buffet and it was Greek night, so that was really nice as well. And then we just came back, watched about half an hour of film, then went to bed about 1 a.m. It's quite hard because the time keeps going back, keeps going forward, so we keep losing hours every day, so every day is like 23-hour days. So today we're just going to go up to the pool. We're going to try the Flowrider for the first time ever. Then we'll probably go for some lunch. I really want to try out the escape room as well. They were talking about it on the morning show this morning. So see if we can get some bookings for that. We also got a booking for the Izumi Hibachi table. So unlike some of the ships which have loads of specialty restaurants, this only has a few. So that would have been nice to try a few more, I think, especially on the 8C days. But hey, it's been really fun anyway. So guys, take a look at this.
I've never seen this before on a cruise, have you?
So we've got seasick bags
available for use at the end of every stairway.
Because it's very bumpy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really bumpy.
We're just heading up to the Flowrider now.
We head up to the back of the ship where David bravely tries out the Flowrider. I chickened out. It looks terrifying, but he was great. What a natural.
Standing outside, waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby.
Fun. We'll try again. Woo, that was fun. Now to another extreme sport. It's time for Ben to tackle the climbing frame.
Oh, how do we get back down, Oscar? Down there? Are we not going to go higher first? This is really scary. Oh God, guys, this is terrifying. Nearly at the top. It's freezing.
It's really cold.
I'm so cold.
I think
Is this fun? You having fun? This way, I'm going this way. Hi, Oscar. Me, no, wait. I'm gonna wait.
Ooh, I'm feeling all sporty now.
Just having a little bit of fun on the sports court. It's huge. You can play football, basketball, lots of other things.
Eat your heart out, Michael Jordan. It's a great place for all of the family, especially for the little ones to burn some energy off.
Turn it around. Once I thought you were.
So David, we're going to get fish and chips.
fish and chips.
Love that little pun, fish and chips. So guys,
It's
you can get
very close to another word though.
fish and chips is $9, scampi, fried calamari, haddock and chips, battered sausage, it's a good old English favourite. Hand-cut chips, chip buddy, which is a chip sandwich basically, and a deep-fried chocolate bar.
I know, chip butty, carb filled with carbs. Can't go wrong.
It's a 10-minute wait, so I've ordered sausage and chips, David's ordered fish and chips, and it comes to about $12, so it's not too bad. We'll see what it's like. Oh well, we're only getting this for research purposes anyway, just so we can show you. So guys, David got fish and chips, and I got sausage and chips, and it is delicious. The chips are absolutely tasty as.
The chips are really good.
They're really nice, aren't they?
Yeah. They're not like fish and chip chopsticks, but they're still really nice.
That was super good. Seriously awesome. The chips were amazing. They tasted like they were like triple fried. Oh, delicious. And the sausage was really nice. David said that the fish is really flaky and light, and the batter. How good was the batter?
Super good. Really impressed.
Really impressed.
I kind of went in thinking, oh, this is going to be rubbish, and I'm actually super surprised.
It's really delicious. We did something cheeky. We went into the so Steve went into the buffet and got some bread buns just so we could have chip butties.
Chip butties as well. So my fish and chips was $7?
$9.
$9 for the fish and chips. Sausage and chips only $4.
Oh, the batter was so light and crispy.
That's
it was
a bargain.
delicious. Such a bargain. Recommend it, guys.
We couldn't resist diving into that chocolate fountain in the buffet for dessert. Well, somebody's certainly enjoying it. Just wait a minute, the sugar rush comes soon after.
Silly.
Next, we try the onboard escape room, the Observatorium. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's an extra charge costing $19.99 per person, and it was so much fun, and we did it with 7 minutes to spare. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, really good. We did good.
Really cool.
Yeah. It was quite intense
really
at one
cool
point. Like,
There was at one point I was just stood here like, I don't know how to do it. So I just started like touching things.
the theming and stuff was as good as the proper full ones that you pay for.
Really
I would say.
high
Yeah,
quality
really good.
room. Yeah.
Like this bit here was one of the best puzzles that I've seen.
But no spoilers.
No spoilers, no spoilers. You've got to do it yourself.
Wow guys, after 5 days at sea we can finally see land. It's the Azores Islands and one of the volcanoes. It's beautiful.
It's our first bit of land after the voyage across the Atlantic. We're still in the Atlantic, we're in the middle, and this is a part of the Azores Island, which is a part of Portugal. So just behind me you can see the gigantic volcano. We've taken a little detour, the captain did, so we can get a fantastic view of it, and wow, it is beautiful. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The whole ship comes out to grab a photo. Thank God it's a dormant volcano.
You all ready? Do you look good? Just checking yourself out in the mirror there, kid. Hi guys. So as you might have guessed, black and white night with a bit of brown because I don't have all black stuff. But hey, should we go? Should we go? Let's go. Help yourself, Oscar. Help yourself.
It's dinner time and we're booked in the specialty restaurant Izumi. Pause now to take a good look at the menu.
Eggs too,
want some
yeah.
eggs?
And
Yeah.
prawns, shrimps, and chicken.
You get a flannel.
oh, fancy. So I was going to take the whole thing.
Make sure it's
Tim's going to have it back.
Do you do your face?
yes, that's the national thing to do.
Is it really?
Yeah, you've got to make sure you get behind your ears as well.
He's lying, isn't he? You just use your hands.
Behind your ears. So guys, for the starter, our first start we had edamame beans, and now we have a salad with a ginger dressing. It looks and smells delicious.
It's a 13. The dressing's lovely.
It's nice, isn't it? It's super tasty.
Yeah, lovely dressing. Yeah, so this is a set menu. You get to choose your main, but then your starter and your dessert, and obviously the rice and stuff is all just set. So you pay a set price.
So what did you get, David?
So I got the surf and turf, which today is lobster and tenderloin beef.
And I got the chicken and beef.
Because you don't eat fish.
I don't like fish. And the edamame beans are really good, and David remembered not to eat them all this time.
Daddy's beef.
Okay, baby, one more?
Yeah.
Let's go! Baby shark it, baby shark it, baby shark it, baby shark.
Our chef was absolutely hilarious. He's so talented.
Every single day, every now and then, and then there you go. Baby, we and there you go. And 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, mama.
Oh yeah, they know me well.
All you gonna do, just chin up.
need to bring him here.
Spin my egg right now. It's a wrecking machine. There you go, spin it. My God, I'm not lucky today. Here you go. Oh, mommy, ikaw po yung mommy. Some pepper for the pizza. Yeah. There you go. Yes, one by one, okay? Oscar! Okay. My magic water all the way from the men's toilet. Okay, we'll not play a lot of smoke. And 1, 2, 3, and there goes Thursday. Bye-bye, Becca! You're the champion, my friend. There go for mommy! Mommy,
Bullseye! Well done, David. But can the chef really trick Rebecca?
You're gorgeous. Okay, in the count to 3. Okay, open your mouth! 1, 2, 3, here you go!
Good try, but that's a no. The food was truly scrumptious and so tasty. We were not disappointed.
Guys, so Izumi was amazing. Our chef Gennaro and our server Edward were absolutely fan-bloomin'-tastic. Seriously, best meal of the whole cruise so far. Ultra tasty, ultra delicious, really good show from Gennaro. Spectacular, he was so good with the kids. Oliver was asleep, Oscar was awake, and he absolutely loved it. Seriously guys, you have to do the hibachi or the teppanyaki table here. Absolutely thumbs up, it was fantastic.
We enjoy our last few days on board and make sure we grab a big group selfie.
Super windy, isn't it? We're doing it, cruise squad! Let's do the cruise squad dance. We're doing the cruise squad dance. Oh guys, that's sea air, this is what it's all about, isn't it? Gorgeous, happy cruising. We just need somebody to come out and take a photo of us, but there's nobody out here. So we're going to wait for somebody to come and get our photo in front of this, because it looks awesome. Oh, what this view. It's gorgeous.
There's really nothing like spending time with our family. We have had a fantastic trip. We enjoy the British invasion party on the final evening, starring Her Majesty. No, not that Queen. I'm talking about David.
I met you in the summer when you left. It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer.
Good morning guys. On the GoPro now because we've packed all of our equipment. But it's the very last day and we're here in Southampton, aren't we David? Good morning.
Oh, sorry, I'm miles away. Yeah, we're in Southampton. It was really quiet until this aeroplane just came over.
Yeah, there's just an aeroplane flying over. We've got one last treat, so I've got my caramel iced Americano and a lovely chocolate donut from Cafe Promenade. Let's have a look, it's a bit miserable today. There we have Mayflower Park just down there here in Southampton. We're at City Cruise Terminal. Just got the bridge up there. You can see the Sapphire Princess, which we went on last year. Yeah. That's so funny guys, so my sister's on the other side, so the dock side, and she's on deck 2 and she's saying there's 5 ambulances waiting outside. 2 people have just got off with broken legs. We had 4 Alpha calls on our cruise, which are medical emergency calls. We also had unfortunately an attempted suicide a couple of days ago, and some guys bravely rescued the guy from jumping over, which is awful. We really hope that they're okay, and obviously the guy's okay as well. It's very sad. So yeah, so we don't really want to get involved with it, but yeah, it doesn't sound like a great situation really, which is quite a sour ending I guess for them at the end of the cruise. But for us, we've had a fantastic time. Really hungry guys, starving. Didn't have that much at dinner last night. I forgot to film it because our batteries ran out, but it was good. It was one of the better dining experiences we had. But yeah, time to have my coffee, chill out, then we'll go downstairs, upstairs for Windjammers. So guys, we're here in Windjammers and I've got my very last breakfast. I'm starving. I haven't had breakfast for 6 days because we keep sleeping in. But yeah, it's quite quiet here this morning, here in Windjammers. Oscar's devastated to be getting off, bless him. He doesn't want to go, he wants to get in the pool. But yeah, delicious. I'm going to eat this and then we're going to go get off. No, it's it guys, this is the end, the last meal. We're clinging on. Oh, bye-bye Giovanni's table. We haven't stepped on land for 9 days. There's the exit there, guys.
It's the beautiful Southampton.
Southampton, there's IKEA. The famous IKEA.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
Thank you, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's get off. So guys, we're about to step on land for the first time in 9 days. As I just said, there's the ship there. She's beautiful. Oh, this is where you collect your baggage, so you'll see the numbers. It'll either be numbers or colours on your cruise, or even animals, or whatever, something separating. Yeah, Disney characters. So we're 47, so we just need to look for the number 47. There's 8 just there, then I can see. It's so simple, guys. It's easier than collecting it from a
Oh, much easier than
an aeroplane, isn't it? There they are. There's 2 of them.
If you enjoyed this series of vlogs, please consider supporting us on Patreon. There's loads of awesome rewards like early access to our videos.
So guys, we're outside now, we're just waiting for our taxi to come. Super busy, so you've got all the buses here, then taxis are further down. So we're just waiting for our taxi, then we'll be off. So I guess that's it, isn't it? There's Independence herself, looking gorgeous. So that's it till next time. Happy cruising! Yay!